That's the craft or the beat.
Original Mr. Flavor. Every day na party, every day na jolly, oh. Oh, you move your body, no time for story, oh. Where my woman?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a very detailed slow motion cornrow tutorial. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do this cornrow. I have some cornrow tutorials on my channel, but one of you actually requested that I do a slow motion cornrow, so that's why I decided to do this particular one. It's going to be on a slow motion so that you guys will be able to follow it or grab something from the video. So what I would advise with cornrow is, as I'm doing it, be doing it at the same time. Just place your fingers the way I place my fingers, and then just follow it and try, because you're not gonna get it once. You're not gonna get it on first trial. You might not get it on the second trial. You have to keep trying before you get it. And you don't really need to focus on making the part clean and all those things. You just focus on your cornrow, because at the end of the day, for instance, if you want to do a crochet braid now, you just cornrow the hair, and when you do the crochet you cover the cornrow, so you don't really need to dwell on parting the hair. I'm still struggling with parting my hair properly. So you just focus on trying to learn how to do the cornrow. It's gonna start soft. Maybe when you do the cornrow for the first time, it's gonna be soft, but with time, if you keep doing it, you'll be able to do it very well and properly. Just give yourself time, take it easy, take it slow. You're definitely gonna get it eventually. And I hope you guys enjoy and at least learn something from this video. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by applying my black castor oil. My hair is a little bit wet in this video, so please ignore that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my virgin hair fertilizer. Afterwards, I'll be applying my Indian hemp cream. Then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair into 2 equal halves, because when I'm doing my cornrows, I prefer starting from the middle. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do my cornrow. Like I said earlier on, it's better for you to just place your fingers the way I place mine, because I don't think there's any explanation I'm gonna give to you guys to make you understand. I just believe that when you wash this stuff, you get a better understanding of it. And don't worry, I'm still gonna show you again how I do it. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys again. But what I do in the beginning is that I just section the hair into 3, and as I'm doing the cornrow, I'll be adding little bits of hair from the back hair. I hope you get what I'm saying. So after I section it into 3, I'm gonna, as I cornrow the hair, I'm gonna take little bits of hair from the back, and then I'm gonna keep adding, and I'm gonna keep going.
summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting round, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you.
So now I'm done with the cornrow. You guys can see how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and slick my edges right now. And yes guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.